one of my training courses, and I have asked them this question: do you pro working hard or you pro working smart? What happened after I just asked them this question? I have two teams. I have two concepts. I have two directions. First group, they defend the idea of working smart. Second group, they defend the idea of working hard. Now, working hard and working smart, we have a concept here I need you to know with the audience. When I just looked at the guys in the group of working smart, I have noticed something really amazing. Most of them, they were from Generation Z. Yes, and the people who defend the idea of working hard, most of them, they are from Generation X. Now,
because they are lazier?
No, we cannot say lazier. If you want to ask me about the two generations, the Generation Z is the people who were born from 1997 and up. This is Generation Z.
They like to work smart.
They like to work smart.
Because working hard is not easy. They want
They want things easier. Thank you. That's the
Yes.
best word, the suitable word. Yes. Now, the second group, which is the working hard, they were most of them from the Generation X. And Generation X are the people who were born from the early 60s to the early 80s. Now, maybe you will ask me what about Generation Y, which is in the middle.
Yes.
Yeah, it's in the middle, about 10 years, from mids of 80s to mids of 90s.
This is my generation.
Generation Y, that's
they
why.
They don't have anything to say about
No,
this.
no, actually, part of them were with the hard and
Yes.
part of them were with the smart.
Dr. Mohammed, let's first talk about working hard, working smart.
Yeah.
Working hard means it's not easy to work this way. Working smart, easier, but it's not simple. It's also hard.
Because you also have to, hard.
Yes, you have to be smart. So, working hard and working, could you define it to make it easier to the viewer? What do you mean by work smart? So do I have to go to someone professional? I said, what do I do? They said, do 1, 2, 3.
No, actually, working smart doesn't require any experience. It requires creativity, a certain way of thinking.
So do you need to be smart actually, or not?
Let's do it let's say it like this way. Let's say it like he has to be smart. But this does not mean that the people who defend the concept of working hard, they are not smart. They are. The idea here depends on the way each generation thinks. Right. And if you have two generations, as I said, X and Z, and in the middle we have the Y.
We will explain what do you mean by work. This word.
Now the work.
Yes. Before I ask you this question, tell me, a lot of things I see in the internet, they say, don't work hard, work smart.
Yeah.
They don't
That's
say
a slogan.
Yeah, slogan. They don't say, don't work smart, work hard. So is it working smart is the best way?
See, this slogan, which is work smart, don't work hard, or sometimes it is don't work hard, work smart. Depends on the way how it is designed. That is a person who defends the idea of working smart.
But we never saw the don't work smart.
I'll tell you, because this is an invention in the recent age. Now, recently, even the word working smart, now it's a new one. I mean, the phrase itself. It's a new one. I mean, it's happened like in the let's say, in the last 50 years, let's say, it happened. It was starting with the technology, because technology is based on working smart. If you just take an example, let's just have it like, in the Microsoft Office, we have an application that is called Excel. This Excel, this is to make things easier.
Yes.
This Excel actually really working smart.
Yes.
No need to do the things many times. It's enough to write whatever the number, whatever it's one time, and by itself you can do something there. you can do it for a lot of sheets. That's the meaning of so working smart. So you save time, you save space, you save effort, you save money.
Yes, actually, I have an example also about this. They say work smart, don't work hard, meaning you hire an assistant. So you have a secretary.
Yeah,
They
exactly.
do a lot
That
of-
is working smart.
Yes, this is working smart, but
Yeah.
it's not working hard because you actually can do these things.
You can
But-
do.
but it will make you tired and maybe
It will suck your time.
yes.
Again. So now I don't want it to be like this is good and this is bad. We cannot say so. People, these are generations. You generation.
You are not in the middle.
No, I'm not in the middle. I have done another survey through LinkedIn today, before we meet
Yes.
today. And I have people who defend working smart 40% like me and working hard 60%. And we have people who defend working smart 60% and hard 40%. You got a point?
Yes. So you defend the 40%.
For me, I would prefer
So the mixture of two.
a mixture of two, but not in a symmetric way. Not equal,
50-50.
not equal, not 50-50. For me, I defend the idea and the concept of working hard 60% and working smart 40%. That's my personality. And I'm Generation X, by the way.
Yeah, but you changed everything because a lot of people, they said, choose one.
No,
Working hard.
if I just tell you choose one, that is too.
Can you choose one if you want to?
If I want to choose one, I will. If I want, I will go to smart. If I have to choose only one,
All right.
if I have to choose only one, I'll choose.
But you chose working smart
smart
40%.
40%.
Now you need to explain why it's important to work hard.
Now I'll tell you what happened when I have got like 2 groups in my training course, and what is the result? That is the good question now.
Yes, please.
Because the people who defend the idea of working hard, they have their own justifications, and the people who defend the idea of working smart, they have their own justifications.
And both right.
Both are right.
Yes.
You cannot say this is wrong and this is right.
So they will produce. It will be fruitful for them.
Very fruitful.
So
yeah.
it's an idea of philosophy.
How
people
yeah,
work.
it's a sophisticated case, but we can still understand it easily.
Okay.
I mean, the people who defend the idea of working smart, they say making things easier, comfortable, shorter, saving time, saving money. And they are right.
And we can call them lazy also.
Now we will come to this.
Because I defend this.
Yeah.
I like the 5.
Fine. But you cannot call them only lazy. Lazy and creative at the same time.
Yeah, of course. Lazy
Yeah.
and smart.
And smart.
Brilliant, but lazy.
Yeah. We cannot just tell me that they are lazy. You cannot. Even Bill Gates one day said.
Yeah, the famous.
Yeah, the
quote,
famous hard worker.
Yes.
By the way, Bill Gates is a hard worker.
He said we need lazy people.
Exactly. Thank you very much. And that's a good thing that is mentioned from your side, Saad.
Yes.
Because Bill Gates, when he said that if you want to do something comfortably, hire a person who's creative and lazy at the same time. So we hard worker,
It's a smart way to look at it. Yes.
we hard workers, and let's talk about ourselves, we would like to hire smart working people to make things easier.
Because they are creative, they will find the
They will find
easiest
the
way.
easiest and most comfortable way to
Yes.
solve a problem.
That's
The easiest and most comfortable way to do something.
so. It's a matter of personality. If someone likes
Yeah.
to work hard, and some person maybe he's lazy but he's creative and very smart, he said, "I don't like to work hard."
It is, but wait, Saad, we need to understand that the people who defend the idea of hard work,
Yes.
they have their own justifications as well.
Tell me about this.
So, for example, they told me if you do it in a hard way, it will last longer. You know the old saying, easy come, easy go.
Yes. I like the first one. Actually, to work hard of something.
If you work harder,
Yes.
it will last longer. I'll just give you a very clear example. Look at any car, a famous brand of the car, and compare it from the 70s, let's say, and compare it with the last version of it, like in the 2024. Look at them. Just look at them.
Yes.
Which is stronger? The one is made hard. Which is, let's say, softer? The one is made smart. Because when you work hard, you will get things stronger. Solid ground, solid base. You get a point? So if you want to ask him about why you defend, if you want to just tell me, you can ask me why you defend working hard 60% and smart
Actually,
50,
it makes
40%.
sense. Makes sense.
Things when are done hardly. There is a famous example in Kuwait, in this region. It is called the Persian carpet. The Persian carpet. Why it's the most expensive?
Because it was made hard.
Hard. It's done hard.
So that's
Look
why-
at the one which is manufactured in any factory.
Yes, in the machine.
You know, it's like you cannot pay a big amount of money for that one. But you can pay for the Persian carpet.
Actually, I bought it when you said to me it's 40% smart and 60%
60%.
hard. So it's a mixture. You cannot work.
No,
take-
you cannot escape. See, people they have to understand how the way. If you ask, go and ask my son. Let's say my son Omar. Just ask him. Come on. When you tell him we want to go shopping, let's say.
Yes.
Going shopping means what? Recently he wants to buy a laptop, a new one. So we have to go to different shops, places. So we have to go there. So, look at the things, asking the salespeople. For him, no, that's a waste of time. Dad, it's there, in my mobile. We can do this hanging out
Yes, in the mobile.
at the mobile. But wait,
Yes.
for me, as a person who enjoys, so there is a kind of, we go by car and we meet people, we mingle with it, socialize with them.
Yeah. You like that?
I like it and it's better. Because working smart in this way, this means that he will lose a relationship with a salesperson, a connection with somebody in the market.
Yeah. Maybe he know better. You may know more.
Thank you very much. You got a point. So he's working smart. That's right. So he is looking at his options, features of the laptop through online, let's say. But for me, I would prefer to go so I can meet people. I can enjoy my time with mingling with the social, with the society. See, when you go by car and you talk with the fresh air, it's different. You get a point?
Yes.
So that is why I would like to defend the idea of 60-40, 60 hard work, 40 smart work. Ask my son Omar, let's say, or even my son Hamza will tell you the same thing. 20% hard. No. This generation, no way.
No way.
Maybe 0% hard and
Because of the
100%
technology.
technology.
They have
Because of
everything.
technology.
Yes. One tab away, you will have everything. And
They
don't
would-
forget ChatGPT also.
ChatGPT. So they would prefer to order a T-shirt. Come on, for God's sake.